Nako, sigurado ka, mami, nagugas ka ng kamay mo niyan?
Yes.
Okay.
Ito, uunahin natin yung i-bake.
I daw.
For
Kasi,
10 minutes.
okay. There we have
Nag-day-off yung katulong ko, kaya walang alimutan.
roasted corn.
Roasted vegetables.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Done.